And so I told you to get a newspaper.
Okay, let's go get a newspaper. Go give me a long newspaper. The newspaper so you can fan it. So when
Okay,
it goes off,
we got the fan, yeah.
Ready? Okay, here we go. Here we go. Sit there, so fire. Grimy. Alright, here we go. 62 years old, up on the freaking ladder again. There we go. Okay. Wait. Put it down. It's gonna catch the house on fire.
I told you you're gonna catch the house on fire. Here. Just put the thing on top of it.
No, then it's gonna hold it for.
There's no oxygen gets to the flame, it will go out. Okay, that was lovely.
You don't put out a fire with. I guess I don't have to use that big of a toilet paper anymore. Oh my god.
Okay, so now did you discover that they don't need the battery? Or does that one have a battery?
Oh, it has a battery.
That one had.
They all have batteries.
They all have batteries now.
Yep.
I thought you were doing a test of them without the battery to see if they'd work. Why don't you blow it?
I'm afraid to leave it unattended.
Put it.
I can't believe it's burning for that long.
Okay.
Now I can't believe that the smoke alarm's not going off. Because there's a lot of smoke. Oh,
It probably did a warning to you.
Shit, what are we doing here?
You burn down the house.
It's just a little toilet paper. Ooh. God. Go get some water in a little Dixie cup.
Oh my god, okay, like, just put the newspaper on top so oxygen...
No, because it's paper.
Do you know when oxygen doesn't get to a flame, it will go out?
But you don't put on top of it with a flammable thing. Go get something that's not flammable.
Oh my god, okay. Like a t-shirt, a towel?
No.
A box?
Get a bit of...
God. Okay, now let's see, make a mess with the water here.
Damn, I can't... What the hell's happening to this? Still burning. Toilet paper is dangerous. It's too hot though. It's too hot. Okay, so that one works.
Okay, so we're testing the smoke alarm with the battery to see if it works.
Yeah.
I thought we were testing it without the battery
No,
to see if it
everybody's
works.
got batteries. I
Okay.
don't know about the middle room. Did they have
The
one?
middle room does not have batteries.
Does it have a smoke alarm?
Yes.
It's empty?
Yes.
Okay.
There's no battery in the smoke alarm.
Okay.
How did you find the battery for this smoke alarm?
I had some other ones in the drawer that I
Okay.
didn't know I had. Okay, that's a disaster right there. I'm going to wait till that cools off. Damn. That was a bad experiment. Okay. Okay, so let me see what this one is in here.
Or, like, make it seem like there's a fire in here.
Or smoke. Okay, until it goes out.
You don't want to blow on it?
No, because it makes for ashes.
I thought you washed it out. There's a green light flashing. There, see? So they do work without a battery.
And then they all go off.